Yeah, hi students. I am Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we'll see the bioassay of a histamine by using a dinosaur. See how the dinosaur is escaping from the bioassay. Slowly it is escaping from the lab. No, we will catch the dinosaur and we will do our bioassay. We'll do a bioassay of a histamine in that. Right? Okay. It is escaping. So actually, dinosaurs are not there now. And no dinosaurs in a living condition now. All are died in the millions years together back, 100 years, millions years back. All the dinosaurs are died. So we cannot do anything. So excuse me, okay? And so that I will do bioassay with the help of a Guinea pigs, not street pigs. Street pigs are different. Guinea pigs are different. Guinea pigs looks like a big rats. Guinea pigs looks like a big rat. It looks like this. Exactly. Right? Okay. So we have to do as per the textbook, we have to do. Can't do anything. And what are the basic principle of the histamine? Histamine contacts the ileum. 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 It is the last part of the small intestine. Ileum contracts. So whenever histamine is released, or you can give, you take the ileum segment and you give the histamine, it contracts. The tissue will be contracts like this. Okay. So this is called ileum. Keep in your mind, not Ileana. Ileana is a heroine. It is a film heroine, famous film heroine. Ileum is different. Ileana is different. Right? Okay. It is the last part of the small intestine. Here, this is the human intestine, not the guinea pig or not the dinosaur. It is a humans. Only here, this is the stomach, and here you can find the duodenum. Duodenum. First part is duodenum. Second part is the jejunum. Third part is the ileum. This entirely consists of the small intestine. That part you have to keep in your mind. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Most of the students are confusing. For them only, I have made a small trick here. DJ first. DJ means we know very well. We enjoyed like anything in the DJ. See here, this is a D, this is a J. Okay, D stands for duodenum, J stands for jejunum. So DJ first. So DJ first. Finally, ileum. That's it. Automatically, ileana comes last. Right? Okay. That is a small trick. You can DJ first. This is the syllabus as per your university. Here, the point I have highlighted with the reading bioassay of histamine. History. Ileana history. You can keep in your mind. History means ileum. Ileana history. Principle. Histamine contracts the ileum. I have told now when you cut the ileum, take a small piece, add a histamine. So it contracts. It contracts. It constricts. That is the main thing what you have to keep in your mind. So that is a basic principle. Here, this is a test histamine preparation which is there in your hand, and this is the international standard preparation. This you have to take as 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml like that, and this you give to the one group of animals, and this is another group of animals standard preparation. So you have to measure the contraction of the ileum in form of the height of the curve. So I told no already. So you know chymograph. So in the chymograph, what happened when ileum contracts with the help of histamine? Okay, what happened up to that the line will be there. When it contracts, it comes like this. You will get a curve on the chymograph graph paper. You have to, that height you have to measure. If higher the contraction, higher the height of the curve. Higher the contraction, quicker the contraction, like that. Okay. So measure the contraction of the ileum in the form of height. Here measure the contraction of the ileum in the form of height for the test animal, for the test preparation also. I think, okay, you have to compare both and you have to calculate, and finally what is the amount of the test preparation. That is the main thing what you have to do it. This is a lab work. All the materials what you have required for this bioassay. Drugs, standard preparation, test preparation, test histamine, standard histamine. Standard histamine you have to purchase from the international standard or national standard laboratory, drug control laboratory. From that instruments, this is thermostatically controlled. Temperature is controlled thermostatically. Heat is constant. controlled organ bath. This is the organ bath. Here you have to keep the histamine preparation. Histamine, that is the ileum part you have to keep here. This red spot is nothing but a ileum tissue, ileana tissue. Okay, right? This you have to give the your test preparation or standard preparation. When you give, it constricts. When it constricts, see the curve here. So up to that normally come. When it constricts, you will get a, see my pointer. It comes like this. See here, small little contraction. Big contraction is there. Like that, it contracts. You will get recording. This height you have to measure. This drum you have. Chymograph, aerator. You have to use the air here for the tissue to maintain it a living condition. You have to use a thyroid solution. This is also very, very important. Thyroid solution. Temperature 32 degrees you have to maintain. Animals, this is a Gunia pig. It looks like a side from the side view. It looks like a, it is neither pig, not a rat. It is in between the rat and pig. Like that you can remember, simply you can say. It is also 32 degrees centigrade you have to maintain. That's why here I highlighted the points, test, standard, chymograph, everything. Okay, and food. This here exactly you can see what happened here, how the curve comes. Okay, this is a tissue. Tissue you have to keep in your mind so that you will get a curves here like this. Okay, small contraction, big contraction, small contraction, baseline like that. This is a liver. This is called a writing liver because it writes, no. That's why this is called a writing liver. Yeah, exactly. See here, this picture, ileum. Small piece, 3 centimeters of ileum you have to take. That is also important. 3 centimeters, small piece. Like this you have to tie. Okay, this is a force transducer. See here you have to give a, it should be, it has to maintain the tension, this liver, whenever it is writing. Otherwise what happen, tension, if you are not maintaining tension, you cannot, even though it is tissue contracted, you will not get a curve there. So contraction, tension must be there. That point you have to keep in your mind. This is very, 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 very important. If you read this slide, automatically the remaining slides are just running matter only. This is very, very important. See here, first take a 3 set. 3, 3, 3, 3. Like that you take first. I will tell you how to write in the exam. First, what you have to do, all 3, 3, 3, 3, you keep in your mind. Each 3, what is there means 2 standard and 1 test. That point you have to keep in your mind. 2 standards, 1 test. 2 standards, 1 test. 2 standard, 1 test. 2 standards, 1 test. Like that you have to do. Test preparation, always you have to give, whenever you are giving a same quantity you give. Test preparation. First cycle 0.2 ml, see here. Here also 0.2 ml. Here also 0.2 ml. Here also, see here double. I will tell you what is that. First 3 you have to give it now. Now what you have to do, don't change the test volume. Standard only, you are, because you are comparing your test with the standard. Standard, what you have to take, 1 small, 1 big. You try to take it. So you just give a 0.1 ml of the histamine here. Here 0.6 ml of the histamine. See how much big is kept. Now it is not matched. That's why this is called a matching method. So since it is not matched, what I will do, I will increase this one. See, next time I increase it, 0.2 I increase it. This I decreased because I want to match this. So I decreased it to 0.4. So here 0.2, 0.2 matched. So next time what I will do, all the 3 I will give 0.2, exactly matched. 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Now what I have to do, I will do double. 0.2 into 2. That's why this is called a matching method. Bracketing means 3, 3, 3, 3. You are doing, no, that's why it is called a bracket. 3 in a bracket. Like that. That's why it is called a bracketing method. In the bracket I mentioned, that is also. That's why it is also called as a matching method. Your height of the test you have to compare with the standard. Increase or decrease the height of the standard, then you have to finally match. This is the regular procedure. What we have to do, a clean strip of ileum you have to take for the pig, and you have to freshly prepared thyroid solution. You have to freshly prepared a small segment, 3 centimeters. You have to take, fill it the thyroid solution in an argon bath. One end of the segment you have to be cut it. Another end of the ileum is attached to the chymograph with a tension. You have to take a small help of the needle here. See, fine needle, you have to use it. You have to tie it. Okay, you have to do that. Baseline first. That is called a baseline. When it contracts, curve will come. Curve is different, straight line is different. Baseline record you have to maintain, and baseline normal tone of the ileum. Normal tone before giving a standard or before giving a test, then you will get a normal tone. That is called a baseline. For 1 minute you have to run. Okay. Then whenever you are giving a histamine, you just wait for 30 seconds so that it will be contracted. When it contracted slowly, the fronting liver also will rises. Yeah, this is a total cycle. How to you have to be do it. Total cycle time is 2.5 minutes. Contact for agonist 30 seconds. Normal record 1 minute. Here I have mentioned no normal record for 1 minute you have to maintain. Okay. For washing you have to do it twice washing. Okay. Finally, so this is the same. You have to change in the standard and histamine doses followed by the dose test. So that exactly you have to do a match of the test solution with the standard. Like that you have to go on changing the standard, not the test. Test you should not change at any cost. Standard only you have to go on changing. Finally you have to match. Right? That is a very simple, and you have to do it practically. Okay, thank you.